How to buy CyberWish token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money rolls on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 5 hours ago and increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending #1 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address and open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now, first of all, I will just log into my wallet to be able to buy this token. So after you log into your wallet, now click here and select the BNB chain and network. Now click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep finding or keep searching to be able to find your token. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and here click on swap. Switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and you can type here how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. As you can see, after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy CyberWish token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.